Edexcel Foundation tier question, looking at a grade 4, I'd say a grade 4, grade 5 question for GCSE Maths Higher Foundation. For us to solve this equation with brackets, to solve 4 bracket 3y plus 1 equals 28. So there are two ways of obviously doing this. Okay, I'm going to obviously expand the brackets and do 4 times 3y makes 12y, or 12 lots of y. Then 4 times positive 1 or plus 1 makes plus 4. That's going to be equal to 28. Okay, I'm now going to subtract 4 on both sides to get rid of this plus 4 on the left hand side. So subtract 4, we get 12y, or 12 lots of y is equal to 24. So 28 minus 4 makes 24. Final step now, guys, is to divide both sides of my equation by 12. So divide this side by 12, divide this side by 12. These 12, they cancel, so we get y equals 24 divided by 12, which is 2. So y is equal to 2 is our final answer. And that was worth 3 marks from an Edexcel Foundation tier paper. It was question, I think, you had 26, I think it was, on a foundation tier paper, but it still is appropriate for higher tier students, okay? So yeah, with your foundation higher, this is a lovely question you have to obviously get right in the exam, okay? So yeah, that is solving a linear equation involving brackets for GCSE Maths. Thank you.